Unless you truly require 3 columns of seats, the 2018 Subaru Outback is the sensible SUV elective. At the point when is a hybrid not a hybrid? At the point when it's known as the 2018 Subaru Outback, that is when. It's a tall riding wagon with rough terrain hacks, however it avoids the square-shaped look for an adjusted shape. It's as yet agreeable, extensive and skilled. The 2018 Outbackâ Euro TMS 7.8 general score is an impression of its capacity to handle any errand with aplombâ Euro and some especially well. This year, the Outback has reconsidered styling outside, new wheel outlines, a refreshed infotainment framework with standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and heap changes intended to decrease wind, street, and motor thunder. Everything indicates a slight change of an effectively great vehicle. 4 Outback trims are available: Euro Base, Premium, Limited, and Touring. A 2.5-liter inline 4 is standard, while a smoother, all the more intense, and thirstier 3.6-liter level 6 is discretionary on Limited and Touring trims. All Outbacks come standard with a persistently factor-programmed transmission, all-wheel drive, and an amazing 8.7 creeps of ground freedom. The AE Euro not genuine 4x4 junkies, but rather these tall wagons can scrabble up more difficult deterrents than anything shy of a Jeep Wrangler or Toyota 4Runner. Regardless of that capacity, the Outbackâ Euro TMS street behavior are more likened to an extravagant vehicle. The base 4-barrel that powers by far most of Outbacks can feel somewhat blunt, however ride a Euro TMS sufficiently intense and returns 32 miles per gallon on the parkway. The discretionary 6-barrel conveys better speeding up, particularly with a full heap of travelers and freight, yet it does the Euro TMT change the Outback into a rocket and its mileage hit might be difficult to legitimize for a few customers. All adaptations brag fresh dealing with and a created ride notwithstanding when smooth asphalt transforms into an uneven trail. Base Outbacks are less essential this year regarding standard gear with the expansion of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, yet the more well-known Outback Premium accompanies a PowerDrive Euro TMS Situate, a refreshed infotainment framework with an 8.0-inch touchscreen, double-zone programmed atmosphere control, and warm front seats. The Limited heaps on calfskin upholstery, blindside screens, and Harman Kardon sound, while new range-topping Touring incorporates LED headlights, a warmed directing wheel, and programmed crisis braking. Every Outback incorporates 8 airbags and everything except the base trim level are accessible with the automaker Euro TMS EyeSight suite of well-being equipment: a Euro automatic crisis braking, versatile voyage control, dynamic path control, and path flight admonitions. With EyeSight fitted, the Outback wins an excellent Top Safety Pick Plus grant from the cost is $25,895.